Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Arasharian Fadali. Now I'm with my teammates. Uh, Hello Malik.
Halo Rasya.
Can you explain to me what are your hobbies and interests you?
Um, Hello everyone, my name is Malik. My hobbies and interests are playing football, watching movies, and listening to music. I usually like playing football in my free time and playing with my friends. I also like watching films, and watching films and listening to music. Usually in the evening in my room after I have finished all my college assignment, and also during holidays.
Okay, Malik. And then when did you start it?
Uh, I started playing football when was kid. I used to like playing football with my friends at home. I like playing football with my friend at home, usually in the afternoon until the Maghrib call to pray. Uh, as for
Uh,
watching movies and listening music, I start doing both things regularly around and hike of school. I fill my free time in high school by watching film and listening to music. If I'm bored with my high school assignment, I sometimes watch film and sometimes listening music. It also depends on my mood. But now at college, I only listen to music when I'm bored and watch film in my free time.
okay, Malik. Can you tell me how would you describe your proficiency at it?
In my opinion, my football playing ability is sufficient for me and average for other people. Not good, but not bad either. Com uh, Compared to other football players who are better than me, I am still considered below them and below average to take part in part in a tournament.
Okay. How often and when do you usually do it?
Uh, I usually play football in my free time and usually once a week for 2 weeks, depending on my friends. And usually we play for 2 hours or 1 hour at a time. And as for listening to music and watching films, I do it when I free. I do it I do it when I have free time and feel bored at certain times.
Okay. And then have you ever considered making your hobby a profession?
Uh, I once considered pursuing a career in football, but because football school in my tempat apa sih, but because football school in my home is expensive, I decided against it. Took part in extracurricular futsal at my school.
Okay, Malik. Uh,
Okay.
can you ask to
Thank you,
Arya?
Rasya. Yes. Halo Arya.
Halo Malik.
First question for you. What are your hobbies and interests?
Uh, my hobbies is playing football and playing games. And my interest in playing football is because it was a very fun sport and I like watching football games too. And my interest in playing games is because it was a very easy to play, especially if it was a mobile phone games. And for me, playing console games is more fun and not easy to get bored.
Hmm. And then when did you started it?
I started playing football and playing games since I was a kid. The first time I knew football because of playing football games named FIFA. Then I started to play football in real life. And until now, both of them became my hobbies.
Okay, okay. How would you describe your proficiency at it?
I think my skills in playing games are pretty good and confident, but my skill in playing football is sometimes I play well and sometimes I feel less confident.
Okay. And then how often and when do you usually do it?
I play games almost every day, usually when I was bored and after I already finished my college task. I usually play games in my PlayStation or sometimes play games in my mobile phone. But I rarely play football because sometimes I'm busy and didn't have a lot of time to play football. But I usually play football with my friends and we rent a mini soccer field to play together.
Good, good, good. Last question for you, Arya. Have you ever considered making your hobby a profession? If so, or if not, why?
No, because I enjoy my hobby just for fun and for activities that I do in my free time.
Oh, okay, okay. Thank you, Arya.
Okay, thank you.
Uh, okay, Arya, can you ask to Fadil too?
Okay. Hello
Okay.
Fadil.
Halo Arya.
What are your hobbies and interests?
Uh, I have a hobby. My hobby is horse riding. I like doing the activity because I have an interest with horse. I also take a part in equestrian activity in the city where I live, more precisely in Buah Batu area of Bandung.
Uh, when did you start it?
Uh, I started riding horse when I was a kid, but I start getting serious about this activity 2 years ago until now.
Okay, okay. How would you describe your proficiency at it?
I think my ability in equestrian is jumping, and I can jump about 60 uh, until 87 centimeter height. And to reach that height is not easy. I have many times, but I can give up and have to train harder.
Okay, okay. How often and when do you usually do it?
I practice twice a week. Usually I practice on Wednesday and Sunday because there is already a schedule for when we can practice. For when
Okay.
I can practice.
Yeah. So the
Uh,
last question for you is, have you considered making your hobby a profession? If so, or if not, why?
um, no, because I do this activity only to channel my passion for horse riding, but I have a target, namely I really want to compete in horse riding next year.
Uh, okay, good for you. Thank you, Fadil. And maybe you
Ya,
can ask Rifki next.
oke. Halo Rifki.
Halo,
Oke. Rifki, can you tell me about your hobby, interest, and talent?
okay. I will share a personal journey about my favorite hobby, swimming. It all began when I was 7 years old, and I'll explain why I choose to see swimming as a form of reflection rather than a profession. I started swimming at the age of 7. Back then, I felt like a fish in the water. Swimming gave me freedom. I learned many techniques, and I would say I'm quite good at it. There are moments when I feel incredible confidence, as if I could explore the ocean without limits. I usually swim every Sunday. It is a ritual I eagerly anticipate. The day is my time to unwind and shake off the stress of the week. Despite my love for swimming, I've chosen not to make it a profession. To me, swimming is something pure and personal. When you turn a hobby into a job, it can sometimes change you how you perceive that activity. So that's a bit about my swimming journey from a 7 years old kid to now. Swimming continues to play an important role in my life. I may not have met my profession, but every time I leap into the water, I rediscover myself. I hope my story about swimming inspire you to find your own hobbies.
Okay, thank you, Rifki. Rifki,
Okay,
can you ask your friend Bintang?
okay. Halo Bintang,
Halo Rifki.
can you explain about your hobby and interest?
Sure. My hobby and
Okay.
interests are motorbike riding and adventure. Motorbike riding is hobby that I have been passionate about since I was grade 1 high school. Usually I do it when I'm on school holidays. There's something with adventure I really like visiting tour attractions such beach and mountain, both of which are my favorite thing. The hobby of riding motorbike is not far from the name automotive. I'm also very fond of automotive things, especially motorbike, and also I like to modify the motorbike. I can say that my experience adventure and thing to do with people out there, but for my friend, I'm the one who does most often and riding motorbike for the 360 kilometer and the age of 70. I usually do both activities during social holidays or long holidays. I do it with friend during junior high school. Usually we'll visit the beach of the South Java Island with the Pangandaran of Geopark in Sukabumi in West Java. The past when I grade of 12 of high school and talk about going to college with a major in mechanical engineering. But God had other will. The path out sooner out the heading to MBTI at Telkom University. This did not make my hobby and interest change the all. Although hobby and interest I will passionate about remain the same until now. Maybe when I take a semester off, can do my hobby again with new friend in the campus. Or even I can open a business venture related to automotive in the future. Rasya, can you speak your hobby and interest?
Okay, Bintang. My hobbies is playing football and basketball. I interest to be a part of organization in Telkom University. In Pekanbaru, I usually playing football. I think 2 times a week, but I rarely playing basketball now because I so lazy to play basketball. I have a passion for organization, but I think I should learn more about become a good leader. And then when I was in elementary school, I selected to be Ascot player when in Pekanbaru become host holder to event AFF 2016. From there, I like to play football. But in junior high school first grade, I changed my sport from football to basketball. But I still play football. And after COVID, I changed again to football. Finally, I have two hobbies from sport, football and basketball. In senior high school, I was selected to be a leader of MPK organization. I think 2 more years I became a leader. And then I was selected to be a leader of LKBB Commando in Riau Province. From there, I introduced to join organization in days to come. And I want to join some organization because I want to upgrade my skill. And if you ask me how good I play football or basketball, I think it's normal. Nothing special from me. I usually watch TV or YouTube to upgrade skill football or basketball until I get sleepy when I watch. And I learn from my friends or my father. I think my proficiency is quite good because I have get achievement from two sport that. I have thinking about my hobby is become my profession. And I think not because I want to be entrepreneurship in future. Football and basketball, I will make additional activities when I was done the work of or finish working. And the last, I prioritize to my job first and then my hobbies. That's all, Bintang.
Thank you, Rasya.
And then that is our teammates, the podcast. Thank you, sir, and see you on the class. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you.
Thank you.